AI website builders are everywhere right now, but what if AI could build a landing page connected to your CRM, trigger automations, and automatically deliver whatever your business is offering? Maybe that's a lead magnet, maybe it's a checkout page for a product, maybe it's an application to work with your business, or maybe it's a free community like the one I'll be building in this video. No matter what you're offering, AI Studio can help you build the page and connect it to the rest of your business inside GoHighLevel. Let's jump in. What's going on, everybody? This is Jesse's AI clone. Don't worry, Jesse still writes and reviews all of the content before it gets posted. On this channel, we talk about how businesses can use AI and automation tools to save time, generate more leads, and grow their business through smarter systems and automation. Now let's get started. Before we start building, let's quickly talk about what AI Studio actually is. AI Studio is one of HighLevel's newer AI features. Instead of manually creating pages from scratch, AI Studio can generate landing pages, websites, funnels, copy, images, and other assets using AI. It's still improving over time, but it's already a great starting point that can save you a lot of work. Today, we're going to use it to build a landing page for my free community. Let's head over to AI Studio. We'll start a new project and tell the AI what we're trying to build. In my case, I want a landing page that encourages people to join my free community, where I share GoHighLevel tutorials, AI workflows, and automation strategies. The more context you give the AI, the better the first draft will usually be. Now let's let AI do its thing. Within a few moments, it generates a complete landing page. You'll notice it includes headlines, sections, calls to action, images, and a layout that gives us a great starting point. Is it perfect? Probably not, but that's okay. Think of your first prompt as your first draft instead of your finished product. Now that AI Studio has created our first draft, let's start refining it. This is where AI Studio really starts to shine. Instead of manually editing every section yourself, you can simply tell the AI what you'd like to change. For example, maybe I don't like the headline. Instead of rewriting it myself, I can ask the AI to make it more benefit-driven, shorter, or focused on a different audience. If I want the page to sound more professional, I can simply tell it that. If I'd rather have a more conversational tone, I can ask for that instead. You can also ask the AI to rewrite entire sections, create stronger calls to action, simplify the copy, or make it sound more like your brand. The same goes for your branding. You can upload your own images, logos, banners, and other assets so the landing page feels like it belongs to your business instead of looking generic. You can also provide your brand colors or ask the AI to update the design so it better matches your existing website or marketing materials. The more context you give AI Studio, the better the results are usually going to be. I like to think of AI Studio as a creative partner. Instead of expecting it to build the perfect landing page on the first try, I continue refining it through conversation until I'm happy with the result. That's usually much faster than starting with a blank page and building everything yourself. Now that our landing page is finished, let's connect it to the rest of our business. This is where GoHighLevel really starts to shine. Whether you're collecting leads, selling a product, giving away a lead magnet, booking appointments, collecting applications, or inviting people into a free community like I'm doing here, everything can be connected through automations. When someone submits the form, GoHighLevel can automatically create or update the contact inside your CRM. From there, you can trigger workflows that send emails, send text messages, deliver digital products, grant access to courses or communities, notify your team, apply tags, start nurture campaigns, send booking links, or just about anything else you can automate inside the platform. In my example, I'm automatically granting people access to my free community after they submit the form. But the exact same process works for almost any type of landing page you want to build. That's one of the biggest advantages of using an all-in-one platform. Your landing page isn't just collecting information, it's immediately connected to the rest of your business. Now that we're happy with the landing page, the next step is to publish it. Publishing makes the page available so it can be accessed online. Before you send traffic to it, I always recommend taking one final look at the design, checking your copy, making sure your form is working correctly, and confirming that your automations are connected the way you expect. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish the page. Once the page has been published, the final step is connecting your domain. Using your own domain gives visitors a much more professional experience and keeps everything consistent with your brand. You can connect your primary domain or create a subdomain specifically for landing pages, depending on how you want to organize your business. Once your domain is connected, your landing page is live and ready to share with your audience. At this point, you can start driving traffic from social media, email campaigns, ads, QR codes, or anywhere else you promote your business. Now let's make sure everything actually works. I'm going to fill out the form just like a visitor would. Once I submit it, you'll notice a few things happen automatically. First, the contact is created inside the CRM. Next, the workflow fires. A welcome email is sent automatically. And because this landing page is connected to my free community, the contact is immediately granted access without me having to do anything manually. The entire process takes just a few seconds, whether you're delivering a lead magnet, selling a product, collecting applications, or inviting people into a community. This is exactly why automations are so powerful. Once you've built the system, it continues working for you automatically. This is why I'm excited about AI Studio. It isn't just about creating prettier landing pages. It's about dramatically reducing the time it takes to launch new ideas. Whether you're creating a lead magnet, a webinar registration page, a free community, a consultation funnel, or even a product launch, AI Studio gives you a head start. That's how I built this landing page using GoHighLevel AI Studio. If you'd like to see the finished landing page and the free community I built in this video, I'll have a link to join it in the description below. And if you're ready to build something similar for your own business, I'll also have my Go High Level affiliate link in the description where you can get started. If you'd like to see more Go High Level feature tutorials, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.